Oh, ladies and gentlemen, we almost had it. We almost had what seemed to be the Jurassic Park game we deserved. Jurassic Park Operations, which was a game, it's a fan-made game, okay? And, well, let's take a look, okay? I want to show you guys. Here's the trailer. It's a fan-made game, by the way, okay? They had a Discord, and they made this in that Dreams software, too, by the way.
I wanted to show them something that wasn't an illusion. Something that was real. Something that they could see, touch.
But you can't think through this one, John.
Now, this trailer came out 5 months ago, so November 12th of 2022.
I was overwhelmed by the power of this place. But I made a mistake too. I didn't have enough respect for that power, and it's out now.
Like, how amazing would it be to go through the Jurassic Park
The only thing that matters now
and
is love.
go through kind of like the same things that
Him.
we, you know, watched during the movie.
I'm dying.
See, this could have been something. This we could have gotten this. All the classic shots. Go to the park and ride rides. Look at how amazing this looks.
Spared no expense.
Like, I'm impressed. I didn't even know you can make something like this in Dreams. So, Chronodican had 4 weeks ago released a whole, and I'm going to put the video in the description so you guys can check it out. And he goes ahead and explains what had happened and what Universal ended up doing. They there's some light at the end of the tunnel here. Okay, they have to take out all the Jurassic Park stuff. Anything that is Jurassic Park, they have to take out. So there's we're gonna see here. I'm gonna play his outro here.
You've all been nothing but kind and supportive in the comments, and I can't thank you enough. Hopefully I'll be able to get away with continuing to upload updates and devlogs about our game, as long as I make it clear that it's fan-made and that we aren't releasing the version with the Jurassic Park IP publicly. I really wanted to do something special for the Jurassic Park fanbase, and for the 30th anniversary of the original film, but unfortunately it had to turn out like this. Before I go, I want to say thank you to all my patrons, and thank you all so much.
So, I mean, we're gonna get something from these guys, and that's what I'm really looking forward to. We're gonna get something. How they mix up these things and these situations, the way the game is, because obviously there's a lot of like scenes that they're going to have to change, or I don't know how they're gonna do it, but we're gonna get something with dinosaurs that's just not Jurassic Park. What would they call it? The Dino Paddock. I don't know. But I'm gonna put all the links to this guy's Patreon and the rest of the videos that they have on Jurassic Park Operations. So I'm excited to see what they come up with. They seem this guy seems really creative, and it's a passion project. And what kind of gets me is, like, they were releasing this game like for free, and yeah, it's just, you know, intellectual property is something. It's just a little disappointing, but I'm optimistic that something good is going to come to this. Maybe you know, if they remove all the IP stuff, and sell them and put a price tag on the game. Give us a, you know, I don't know what they would charge, but give us a deal on this game. I'll buy it. I'll pay for it and support it. What do you guys think? Have you heard about this Jurassic Park game? I know it's, you know, I'm a little late to this, but it was brought to my attention. And I really just wanted to talk about it. So, like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate you guys very much. That's some news. I'll talk to you soon.